Hi, my name's Rosin Bazell. I'm so happy that you joined us today. We're going to be featuring a new recipe, and I have my wonderful new sous chefs. What's your name?
Aubrey.
And?
Jared.
And what are we making, guys?
Cilantro lime chicken.
Awesome. So we are going to be doing this wonderful cilantro lime chicken that is a really simple recipe that is great for someone with diabetes. So let's get started. So this particular recipe has some really simple and easy ingredients that make it so easy to make. Of course, we have our chicken. This is cut up. And what do you have, Aubrey?
Cooking spray, salt, pepper, and garlic.
What about you, Derek?
I have honey, lime juice, and cilantro.
That's right. So the first thing we're going to do when we start making our recipe is use our knife in order to cut the skin off the chicken. We don't want any skin on the chicken. Do you know why?
Yes.
Why? Why?
Because
Why?
then
It's bad for the body.
Well, there's more fat in the skin. And so the healthy portion of the chicken is going to be the meat, right?
Yes.
And so we want to make it very healthy.
it should take really good.
You want to eat it like that?
Yes.
All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and I want you all to make your mixtures while I take the skin off of the chicken. You ready? So you're gonna start with pouring your lime juice, pour it in your bowls.
All of it.
All of it, man, take it all in. Next, I want you to put 2 tablespoons of cilantro. So Dee, you do the cilantro first and then we'll pass it over to Miss Aubrey. And next, Dee, you are going to put 1 tablespoon of honey in your bowl. So after that, what's next? What does it taste like so far? What do you think?
Good.
Are you sure?
Yep, I taste the honey.
You taste the honey? Okay. So next we got to put the garlic in it. So we're going to put 2 cloves of garlic, right? So to represent a clove, we're going to use a 1/4 of a teaspoon. So put 2 scoops in your bowl. So the next step is we are going to put our chicken in the oven, and so we're going to put it in this clear glass container. We're going to take our spray and put it inside, Mr. Derek. Spread it around. Good job, that's good. And then I'm going to transition our chicken.
Yummy, yummy chicken.
Yummy, yummy chicken. Without the skin into the pan. And so, Miss Aubrey, you are over salt and pepper. So let's start with the salt. Yes, so grab the salt.
Too much. And you don't.
So all the way around.
Not too much. Or it gets really salty.
All right, hold
That's
on.
enough.
And then do the pepper, and then we'll turn them over and do the same thing. Good job. So Derek, what do you know? Do you know anybody that has diabetes?
Yes. My boyfriend.
Oh, he does. Have you ever talked to him about it?
No, I know.
Oh, that's
Now
not too
we're
bad.
making the other side.
But now you get a chance, you can show him how to make this, right? If you want to.
Well, I don't want to be a chef.
You don't have to be a chef.
I am. No, I'm gonna do about 4 things.
Okay. And do you know with anybody with diabetes?
I don't know her, but I know a little bit about her, and her name is Rosa.
Oh, really? And so do you think she's had it for a long time?
She did have it for a long time. She had it for about 8 years.
Oh. Does she have to go see the doctor a lot?
Yes, she has to go about 3 days a week.
Oh, wow, that's a lot. Well, hopefully, maybe she'll see this video and she'll get to see some cool recipes that she can do. Okay, so you start. I want you to take your mixture and pour it all over the chicken.
The spoon.
It's up to you. You can take the spoon out or can you use the spoon? Or you can just take it and pour it. All right, fantastic. And we're gonna let Mr. Derek throw his sauce on. Go all the way around and pour it on there. Does it smell good?
So good. It smells so good.
All right, so this is fantastic, guys. So now the next step, of course, is to place this in the oven. Thank you so much for joining us today. We really appreciate you checking in to see what we were making in the kitchen with my wonderful sous chefs. I had Aubri and Derek with me, and so we made this wonderful diabetic friendly chicken, cilantro lime, which looks amazing and smells even better. So if you have any questions, any comments, please let us know. We would love to get your feedback. We also want to find out what else you would like us to make for you in our kitchen. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button below so that you get updates. You can find out when we have new videos available, and we hope to see you soon. Thank you so much for joining us.